Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to dive deep into the exciting world of cryptocurrency and explore a fascinating question. What if Bitcoin hits $1 million? Strap yourselves in, because we're about to take you on a mind-blowing journey into the future of finance. Let's get started. To truly comprehend the implications of Bitcoin reaching $1 million, we need to understand its remarkable journey. Bitcoin, the first decentralized digital currency, was created in 2009 by an anonymous person or group known as Satoshi Nakamoto. Over the years, it has gone through extreme price volatility, attracting both skeptics and fervent believers. So, how could Bitcoin reach such an astronomical price? Well, several factors could contribute to this scenario. First, growing institutional adoption, with companies and even governments recognizing Bitcoin as a legitimate store of value. This increased demand from large-scale investors could push the price to unprecedented levels. Another critical factor in Bitcoin's journey to $1 million would be mass adoption. Imagine a world where cryptocurrencies are widely accepted for everyday transactions. From buying groceries to paying rent, Bitcoin becomes a mainstream currency, enabling seamless global transactions without intermediaries. This massive utilization could skyrocket its value. A $1 million Bitcoin would undoubtedly have a profound impact on the global economy. Traditional financial systems could experience significant disruptions as people turn to decentralized alternatives. Central banks might struggle to maintain control over monetary policies, as cryptocurrencies offer an alternative store of value immune to inflation. The rise of Bitcoin to $1 million would create a new breed of millionaires and even billionaires among early adopters. However, it could also spark a unique form of wealth redistribution. As Bitcoin becomes more valuable, the wealth gap might narrow, empowering those who had previously been excluded from traditional financial systems. While a $1 million Bitcoin might sound like a dream come true, it comes with its own set of challenges and risks. Regulatory hurdles, scalability issues, and potential market manipulation could pose significant obstacles along the way. It's important to acknowledge these challenges and work toward solutions that ensure the stability and integrity of the crypto ecosystem. Lastly, we should consider the impact of a $1 million Bitcoin on the broader cryptocurrency landscape. The exponential rise of Bitcoin's price could propel other cryptocurrencies to new heights, creating a vibrant and diverse digital economy. Alternative coins and innovative blockchain projects might flourish, revolutionizing various industries in ways we can't yet imagine. And there you have it, folks. A glimpse into the possibilities that arise if Bitcoin were to reach $1 million. It's essential to remember that predicting the future of cryptocurrency is highly speculative, and no one knows for certain what lies ahead. But one thing is clear. Bitcoin has already disrupted the financial world, and its potential is limitless. We hope you enjoyed this video exploring the exciting prospects of a $1 million Bitcoin. If you found it informative and thought-provoking, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more captivating content. And, as always, remember to stay curious, keep learning, and embrace the crypto revolution. Thank you all for watching. If you have any questions or ideas for future videos, please leave them in the comment section below.